What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's having a blessed day. I got a pretty fire video for y'all, and it's gonna be regarding my car. For those who don't know, I drive a 2010 Toyota Matrix. It's mainly stock, but I did do a few things here on the exterior. Maybe in another video I can break down the build and like mods I did to it so far. But today we're gonna be doing mods to the interior. And yeah, that's mainly interior LED lights and a bigger center view mirror. Just a safety mod because the stock mirror is already like so small, like it's hard to see, have a good vision and good peripherals. And yeah, it should make the interior look more fire. And the most important thing is the safety, that it should be reducing blind spot as well. I can have a better and clearer vision with this new mirror. But for the interior LEDs, that's gonna be the one that's the most time consuming for today's project, because I gotta wire everything, do cable management. That's why when I looked in the package, there was a bunch of zip ties, you know. But it should be fun, should be a good learning experience, and yeah, it will be good once everything's installed. And yeah, it's always good to do your own mods or do your own thing, whatever it may be, because it's the pride that comes along with it, you know. Just doing things yourself, especially if it's small, you know, it doesn't really matter, just as long as you can do it yourself and you can show it off and be proud of it. So that's today's video, and let's get right to it. Here are the parts we're gonna be installing today. These were both from Amazon. It was about 30 bucks for both of these parts. So we got the RGB car LED strip light right here, and then the mirror right here. It's a bigger mirror compared to the stock one, and it's a box shape too, so it's gonna look fire. So yeah, let's get to the garage and get things set up and prepped for the project today. In my garage, I got the boxes of parts set up on the table here. So LED lights and the mirror. So let's open these boxes up real quick. The mirror should be straightforward to install. Like, it just clips onto the regular stock mirror. Yeah, so that's not gonna be a hassle today for installation. You can see me with my phone recording this, but this one is gonna be a pain today to install with all the wiring and cable management and stuff. Like if we open the box, you can see like all the cords, the remote and stuff, and then a bunch of zip ties in there. So let me get everything laid out for this one. Everything in the box. Got the LED strips with the cords, and then the cigarette port right here to power everything up. Remote control right here, and a whole bunch of zip ties for this, and then instruction manuals. So yeah, I'm gonna go look into the manuals and get myself familiarized for the installation. And yeah, it should be sick. I'm not gonna record the whole process of it because it's gonna be pretty long. It's also a hot day out here in Hawaii. It doesn't help that it's summer, but yeah, it should be fun. So let's get to it. So this is where the cable management troubles come in. So I just plugged in the light to the cigarette port just to test the lights if it's working, because that was part of the instructions. I gotta manage all these cords right here. Yeah, this is gonna be a hassle, but we'll figure it out, you know. We got all those zip ties on my dirty car. I gotta detail the interior a little bit when I get the chance, but not right now. All right, we'll do more updates later. Installation is pretty much done. As you can see, I did some cable management. You can still see a little piece of the cord right there, as well as the other side. And then the back, don't mind the trash. I just like pretty much finished it. And yeah, cable management was honestly the hardest part. This is a new mirror right here, and you can see everything with this new mirror, all the vision, blind spots, everything. But yeah, I tried my best. Obviously it's a pain, so don't give me crap about it. If you think cable management is easy, then you're not human, I think it's safe to say. But yeah, I can show off the lights installed at night. Right now I cannot really tell, but you can see the strips though. Like I have the control button right here. Move my seat back. See like a peek of it, and then yeah. So once it's nighttime, you can see it. But yeah, pretty much done. I'll post another clip with the lights on at night because it's bright as day out, as you can tell. But yeah. Alright, so this is the finished product of the lights. Sir, looking clean, not bad for the price. The only issue with this installation was honestly the cable management and wiring, but everything else was pretty simple. Pretty happy with how it came out. I did a pretty good job hiding all the cables, at least I tried. But yeah, I got the remote right here to change the colors. Yes, sir. Let's give you a view from outside. Dang, that's clean. Sheesh. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want a build breakdown of my car, I'd be more than happy to. But this is pretty much it. Came out really nice, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, have a blessed one. Shooties.